Welcome to Camping with Melody's dad and family.
I was going to bring 2 tarps, but they were buried under the recycling. Which one are we going to? Ooh. There we go.
I get the. All right. Nice. And there we go. Okay. That should work.
Peppa's on it. Woo.
Oh, step 2. Cheers, family.
I start the tent.
Oh, that's good. Bingo.
Yeah.
I know what you're thinking.
Okay.
Doesn't affect birds on a woodwork.
I hope it doesn't affect those. Thinking that far out.
So save some for the burritos, so like half.
Okay.
About half-ish.
A little more.
Okay,
A little more.
Dad.
Okay. All right. You're right.
This looks yummy already.
This is pizza.
In the box. Is that all of it?
Yeah. Well, that's about. We're not using a roux on this, though, right?
Nope. Nope, we're not.
That's too bad.
That's why you want to need the lid off to let the juices cook down. That's perfect. This is just tempering it so that it doesn't curdle when we put it in there.
So icky.
You aren't perfect, and that's okay. Nobody is. Learn from your mistakes. Apologize when you are wrong. Forgive as quickly as you want to be forgiven. Move on. Be careful with advice you get, and scrutinize the advice you give. Allow your opinions to change. Admit you don't know everything, to yourself and to everybody, and let them know that you know it's the same for them, regardless of their convictions. Refuse to live in the box of someone else's expectations. Express your disagreements, but let your beliefs be your own, not a religion. that needs converts. Share information, share evidence, be scientific, be aware, be present. Have faith in what is good. Walk away from what isn't if it can't be changed. Seek the uplifting experiences this world has to offer. Expect difficulty, expect suffering, expect difference, and learn to cherish it. Don't fight truth, wrestle with it. You don't have to like it, but learn how to live with it. Let understanding be the adventure it was meant to be. Most importantly, love all of it. The future you earned has come, you are living in it, and the present is going to pass before you want it to. Taper your expectations for the future. Bask in gratitude for making it this far. For now,
I love you.
be the father your daughter deserves, and just hope this moment will be remembered.
We need is some crusty bread.
No. Mom.
Next time.
How dare you? Good though. Super good.
So random. Like we could have picked a different campsite. You know what I mean? Like
Right.
So random.
And the timing and everything.
Well, did he tell you we were trying to camp somewhere else first? We went to Upper Car. We would light it up. Oh.
Good morning. Good morning. Just cooked up some tortillas. We have chorizo, eggs, pre-cooked potatoes, onions. There we go. I don't like eating that. Okay, take the lid off, please, for me. It's okay. Salt.
Potatoes.
Potatoes.
The dog. Breakfast burrito. There's one. The dogs are like, give me some of that. Cheers, Dad.
Cheers.